welcome back to my channel. Today I'm back with another exciting activity. As you all liked my Rangoli video, I gave you simple tricks to make beautiful Rangolis. So now I'm going to show you a Rangoli which is mostly magical. A Rangoli inside water. You might be thinking, how can this even happen? But it's happening. Yes, today's video is about that. The things you're going to need is a plate, some oil, Rangoli powder, any of your favorite colors. I took 3 colors, pink, blue and purple. And any stencil which you like. So let's see how to make a Rangoli inside water. And you're also going to need some water because the name also says it, Rangoli in water. So you're going to obviously need water. Before we start, please do like, share and subscribe to my channel. So now let's see how to make a Rangoli inside water. So I got all the things we are going to need. I got my stencil, a big plate, a large one, and you need to make sure that your stencil fits inside your plate. There's no problem if it's too large than the stencil. I'm taking 2 glasses of water because mine is a pretty large plate. Depending on your plate, you can take those many glasses of water. And I have 3 colors of Rangoli. One is light pink, one is purple and one is blue. And the main thing which makes Rangoli in water work, oil. So first I'm going to take my stencil and put it aside, and I'm going to neatly write oil on the plate with my hands. So I'm going to open the bottle and to pour some oil on the plate just a bit, and you're going to neatly rub it till the whole plate is covered. I'm going to use my right hand only on the surface of the plate, because on the surface of the plate is going to be a Rangoli. So, no, just add it on the surface of the plate. And then rub it neatly with no gaps, or else in the area where the gap is, your Rangoli will not come properly. Like the powder will dilute. So yeah, I'm done neatly rubbing it, and you can see my hand is all oily and it's shining. There's no problem with it. So now I'm taking this beautiful stencil. It's my favorite stencil. It has like one flower in the middle and few lines connecting to another flower. So I'm going to put it on the plate. It's not compulsory that it should be in the center. I'm just putting it randomly, and I'm going to and you don't need to add like this color here, this color here. But if you like to like this color should be here, then you can do that. Or else like me, I'm doing now, just randomly add the color, so you get like many colors in a spot, and you know, it looks more beautiful than one color here, one color here, one color here, one color here. So yeah, I'm going to be starting with these 3 colors on my stencil. I'm going to lift it now. Here you go. It came really beautifully. Slowly add some water. I'm going to add some more water. So here, it came really beautifully. It came really beautifully, and I know why this works. Because the oil acts like a glue. Oops. The oil acts like a glue to the plate and to the Rangoli powder. So that's why the Rangoli powder is stick to the plate and it's not diluting in the water, or it's not like mixing inside the water or floating up. And you can see sometimes it forms few bubbles inside the Rangoli. You can make for birthdays, festivals, celebrations, etc. etc. And if anybody asks you like, do a magic trick for my birthday, and you can do this, and everyone will be like, OMG, how's this happening? How does the Rangoli stick to the plate? They'll be like that. So if you like my videos, please do like, share and subscribe to my channel. And thanks for watching.